Today, we're launching Safecar, a partnership of Success Motors and Safecar. And this is our first car that is being taken by Rukundo. And so many other cars are in the process. We hope to give so many drivers cars from us. We pray that this changes your life, Rukundo. And I want to give you a message. Please talk to your colleagues. Tell them to Metiso car. Bring them on board. Encourage them about Safecar. Now that you've achieved this,
natwaliza okusayininga twali tulaunchinga omukwano gwaffe wa partnership wakati wa Safecar ne Success Motors. Ono customer waffe asoose wakati waffe ababiri okuli n'abalala Christ abali pending naye ye mwami William Rukundo era nga mulaba mu Safecar o Safe Border jacket sawa zinagenda kwaba ng'ayambadde t-shirt ya Success Motors. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Rukundo, and congratulations. Together, call a handover. Thank you so much. Yes, Murizo, wakati wafe, kutoka Success Motors. Era tukikwasa mubutongole motoka, tukimukwasiza siya bigambo Success Motors. Success Motors. We want to call upon abasigaddeyo mwenna nti bino bitusibya bulimba wabula by'eddala. Essaawa zino tugenda ku motoka Rukundo ekisumuza kyokizaawo emmotoka ye era yingira munda jamu ekisumuza gistartinge amafuta twakuteereddemu full tank sebo era kogenda okutandikira starting emmotoka. We're doing the official handover of this car that has before seemed to be a dream. Now, it's okay. Mr. Rukundo, tumukwasa buli kimu ekikye awamu ne number plates okutandika nga bulijjo atandika emirimu gyokkakkalabe. Mr. Rukundo, once again congratulations. Battery mpya ne manager amusuubiza full-time ey'amafuta. Kitegeeza trips ezisooka zonna agenda kuba akikuba bukubi magoba ng'ateekako app na mu nsawo.
So excited. It's quite difficult where I start from. But I want to thank God for this important day. I'm Rukundo William. I will first give you just a brief background. In 2017, I took a hard decision to join border business. Professional, I'm a teacher of business education, and I took some years in Kampala here doing teaching in some secondary schools. But in 2017, I took a hard decision and said, I think I have to do away with what we call white-collar jobs. Because I saw it was quite difficult to make ends meet in this city. So I decided to start with the motorbike that I had. I put it on the road and said I will make it. In 2019, I joined the Safe Border and started working as hard as I can. I'm sure with the Safe Border records, there is no gift or appreciation that has ever been made when I'm not involved. Because I knew I was determined to move forward. I had a target. I wanted to ride a motorbike for 5 years and move to the next step. And because I knew what I want, I right away started saving whatever I could manage to save. And every time I heard that there was a chance of us getting anything that would take us forward at Safe Border, I would be among the first people to be there. So about 4 or 5 months back, I was just on my motorbike on the road. I got a message that there is a training at the Safe Border about car financing. I went and attended for only 5 minutes. When I reached there, I found they were talking about loans. And I didn't want things to do with the loans at that time. Because there is another company which had come there and they were trying to vote something. So for me, I thought they were the ones who had called us. When I reached there, I found a Christian speaking. And when I found that it was bank people, because I had gone to banks and every time you told them I want to get a car, they said you need at least 50% plus of the car. And every time I came to these bonds, I found the cars were 30 million plus. And get 15% for me it was difficult. So I didn't want to waste my time. When I entered and I found they were talking about that, I just went back. Then a week later, still on my app, I got a sticker for Success Motors. Said, what? But I have always passed by Success Motors. What are they going to do? I immediately went to Safe Border. And reaching there, I found a gentleman called Azit, and then him. I told them, I want this thing. And because I had made my saving, I immediately went to the office and talked with the finance people. I told them what I had, and I wondered whether really this thing would work out. They told me it will work. And immediately I made my mind, and we started on the process. Now what was a dream, today is becoming a reality. As he has said, almost every day I would pass by here and keep at my car. And whenever I saw what was relocated, I didn't come to ask you where it is. But every day I would pass and say, how come it is not there? One day it will be mine. And here, it's now a real story. I also want to thank Housing Finance Bank for really accepting to understand that even us who are low-income earners, there are serious people who can make it. And I do believe that we have started, and I think we shall be successful. When you are determined, everything is possible. My fellow border riders, when you go to eat, when you have a target, you can make it. You go there and you have no direction, you can be there for years and you grow old and you can't count anything. And I can assure you, it's a good start. And I welcome everybody. Come and join us. I know we shall be able to succeed. Thank you.
I am so honored, sir, to have you here at our yard. And we are so grateful as a company. We know very well there are so many companies here doing the same things. So many of them. But you chose to work with us. We don't take that for granted, sir. Thank you so much. And as a company, as Success Motors, we want to promise that we always deliver very nice cars for our clients. These are young boys, old men, who are trying to change lives at home, who are trying to send kids to school, who are trying to make sure that to bring ends together. So as you give them a car that's going to break down on the road, do not serve the purpose that you're looking for. So as a company, will make sure that we always give the best cars. And I want to promise these people, Rukundo, that we are going to be your first clients. So your first clients are here. We are the ones. We will support you. You've supported us. We will support you. So that we all, at the end of the day, change lives. And I want to call people who are there, who are still driving safe border, to get to know that safe car has kicked out already. It's time to change. It's time to upgrade from what we've been doing to something different. Life will have changed. I want to encourage the young boys who are there, young boys who have just finished school, that are looking for white collar jobs. Safety is here. Can take you through, it can change your life. Some of us have done this before. I was doing this in 2015 and 2016. I'm a very good witness. But here I am managing a very big company, successful growth. But this was the way. So we pray that this goes through. We'll be available wherever you need us. Our coordinator is there. Whenever you need him, you'll always come to your office. No, Osambi Kachi. Life, fresh life is going to start. Obulamu obujuma kati bugenda kutandika. Ofunye emootoka yo.
Coherent. Kundo, congratulations. It's been a long journey. So for Safe Car, so Safe Border is a very interesting company. One of the core things is community and empowering those. Teacher, your microphone is losing out. Cores is empowering communities. And the first thing we started with is drivers. So drivers are very dear to our hearts. And so we started with Safe Border, a safe method of transportation. So it's affordable for the customers, but for the drivers, importantly, it's a way of living. So every day that a driver is on the road, they are trying to make money to support their families. And so through driver well-being, which is the department Lorraine manages, we talk to drivers every day to find out what problems are you facing, what is the goal, not for today but for the future. And since 2023, we've had a lot of feedback. The first thing was there are drivers who, when they're on the road, they're worried about accidents. They drive for 12 or more hours. And so we brought trip insurance. And it protects both the customer and the driver in case they get an accident. So drivers were happy with that. We also brought motorcycle loans. If you want to be a border driver but you don't have a motorcycle, we've partnered with companies that give them loans. So again, drivers were happy. But that was for now. How about my future? So drivers like Rukundo, he'll even tell you, he had a goal. After 5 years, I stopped riding, I started driving a car. But how do we get there? And so we started talking to banks, saying, can you lend the driver? But when you say border, they say, bana sasula. Tavayo, Mukambala, Duke. So we spoke to many banks. But I like to thank Housing Finance Bank because we share values. And again, with Success Motors, it's even worse. We even share a color. And so the partnership today is about people who care about the same values. We spoke to a good number of car service providers, but again, that fear, what border, Nasasura. But today we have a car, we have a driver, the first one. And it is just a testament, as you say, if you choose to work on something, no chifira ko funam. And so we are happy to behalf of the management of Safe Border, we are happy to be part of a family with Success Motors and Housing Finance Bank. Because today, every Safe Border, Safe Car driver who is hardworking, it's very important, who is hardworking. Because when you get an asset on loan, so we look out for people who care about what they are going to get. Emootoka, and then they fail to maintain the asset. And so what does that mean for the driver? If you're on Safe Border or on Safe Car, but you want to own your own car or get another one, we have created a partnership. You come to Nakawa, you visit Success Motors, see the car you like. I see a Range Rover there. In case you're a driver who you want a Range Rover, I'll give you I'll give you the car that you can drive, make some money, and eventually get a Range Rover. But you come here, you see the car you like, the company is very transparent. They will tell you everything you have to do to get that car. Once you're done with that, we evaluate your performance. So tukusindikira emirimu gya akakadde naye okolako gya mitwalo 5 oba toyagala kukola, twagala nti omulimu gwe tukuwa ogutwala. Once we are happy with you, we introduce you to Housing Finance Bank. They do some checks. Oba tewasasula looni eweba ya mitwalo 5 bagamba tajja kusobola. Naye bw'oba oli muntu mulamu, you will get the loan, and in a month you will be driving on the road.
Everyone, yeah. Hello everyone, thank you for making it for this day. My name is Lorraine Simpa. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy for our driver. I am the manager, driver well-being.